Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to explain about business partner. Is it possible to create a business partner with reference to another business partner? So that is our context today. Let me check it. I hope you can see my screen. So let's go to BP transaction. When you go to BP transaction, you are not seeing any kind of option with reference, right? Then you may conclude that, okay, we cannot create with reference to another business partner. So let us do the same thing. Go here. Once you come to BP transaction, and you wanted to create with reference to another one. So we don't have any kind of option what to do. So first click on organization. Once you click on organization, system is going to give you the respective roles, everything. So what you are going to select, for example, you want to copy from one vendor to another vendor. Here, FLV N00. You can take a company code data. It will say data already entered is not saving. Just click on create button. But don't need to save it. So once you come to the BP role, either you can select supplier accounting data or supplier purchasing data. You will see the option called with reference. Now click on with reference. Give the reference one. Once you click on that, system will select which company code data you want to copy. Overwrite supplier general data. Okay, so it is asking the option. What about the general data? Click on F1. So you can give that one. Do you want to overwrite the supplier general data or not? Okay, now you can select that option. Supplier general data has been maintained. Do you still want to overwrite? Yes. Okay. So your system is asking you to input the data, what you want to do, whether you want to create anything. Maybe SAP partner, gold partner. It's a company, country, Germany, and language, German, B German. Okay, we'll give this kind of a data. Go to control and go to company code. See NS12. Center data is copied from the reference 1 400251. It already copied. Now you save it. So most of the cases we will overwrite the general data because the new vendor will definitely have a separate name, separate address, right? So you can use that checkbox. So the system will ask you to input the new general data. And if you want to maintain the purchasing data, FLV N01. So go to change option. Then you will get option purchasing data. Click on purchasing and input the which purchase organization you want to do it. NS12. And yeah, here also when it comes to purchasing, again you can use the same option with reference 251 and select this one and click on OK. Required field currency euro. So the data has got automatically copied. Okay, automatically copied. If you want to change that any data, you can change it. This is the way with reference you can use it. Although you don't see in the home screen of BP, you can use this method. Go and select the respective role and then use the with reference while doing the role, like you are creating the purchasing data of a supplier or accounting data of supplier or accounting data of customer, sales data of a customer. You can use the with reference and you observe the checkbox whether you want to overwrite the general data or not. If you want to overwrite, most of the cases we'll overwrite it because you are creating a brand new customer. So that entire customer data we will copy, the sales data and all, but general data you will have a new address, new phone number and all. So I hope you learned today how to create one business partner with reference to another business partner. Okay, there is another alternative method also there. I'll just show you that how to navigate it, because the process wise it is quite similar. So what is this one? Use the T code called XK01, our SAP ECC T code. Click on XK01, then system will give a pop-up whether you want to create organization, a person or group. Most of the cases we create organization as MM or SD consultant. Click on OK. In this T code, directly you will see the option of with reference, because you are selecting the directly the XK01. It will take you the related to company code data. Okay, so you will directly see the option. This is the one way how you can create it, and your roles, everything you can select it. So this is one way. Or if you go with the BP transaction, you need to select the creation of BP role and then use the with reference. I hope in this video you learned how to create one business partner with reference to existing business partner. Thanks for watching. And you watch our other business partner videos and provide you valuable ratings on Udemy. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, you can share to your circle. Keep learning and keep supporting each other. Thank you.